Hey, welcome to probability. Also a topic we saw some time ago. Um, this is important if you ever want to play games and you want to know like the chance of winning. Um, like when you get older and you want to go to a casino. Depending on the game, if you understand the rules, you can start calculating probabilities. And when you do, you will probably realize that this is no good. Turn around and go home again. But anyways, that's a casino. For other games, well, it also works. Anyways, the basic principles of probability. And as you can see here, I drew a box here, and inside there are six, let's call them balls, three red and three blue. I know they're not the same size, but that's not important. It's the colors are what matters here. So you have, of the six balls in total, you have three red and three blue. So let's imagine that. Oh, I should also remember to say, when it comes to probability here, this is pure math, no skill involved. As soon as you start using skills as well, everything changes and becomes so much more complicated. And yeah, so skill not a thing here. This is just a box. You blindfolded reach in and you pick one of the balls, you take it out, and that's it. So, 6 balls in total. What is the probability of getting, say, a red ball? Could also be blue, it's just the same number anyway. So we kind of need to do fractions for this one, at least in the beginning. Should choose something correct now. Let's do the black again. So we need to do a fraction here. So we have a total here of 6. There are 6 balls in this box. And if I want to know how, well, what the probability for a red ball is, well, how many red do I have? I have 3. So 3 6. 3 out of 6 balls are red. We could shorten this to 1/2. And to get the probability, which is a percentage, you would have to do this math. You would have to say 1 divided by 2. So you could do it like that. It is kind of an easy one, but nonetheless. So how many times can I take 2 if I have 1? Well, 0. Then we have to add another 0 here, and another dot here. So if I have 10, how many times can I take 2? 5. And let's put another 0. Not because we really need to, but it's going to be easier. So 0.50. This is not a percentage. To get this as a percentage, you have to multiply by 100. And that will give you that percentage. So 0.50 times 100, that's going to be 50. And then we're going to put percent. So the chance of me getting 1 red ball, or the blue for that matter, is 50%. Either you get one or you don't. So this is the basic part of this. Now let's say we reach in, we pick a ball, and let's say we get a red ball. So we have now eliminated 1 red. There are only now 5 balls left. So let's do this again. Total of 5 balls because I 2 got 1 red. So what is the chance now of getting a red ball? Well, how many reds do we have left in there? 2. So 2/5. So we kind of have to do the same. This one you can't really shorten, but we can do the math here. So you have 2 here, and you have 5 outside. So this is going to be 0.4. I'm jumping a little bit ahead here, but 0.4, then you multiply that by 100. So that's going to be 40%. So the percentage chance of getting, well, a red ball is now less than it was before, because there are more blue balls. It all makes sense. Let's say we get lucky, and we got another red ball. So we have eliminated 2 red balls. So now we want to know what is the chance of getting the last red ball. So what is the total number? Well, we have 4 balls left in the box. And how many red are there? 1. so it's 1/4 or 1 in 4. And again, if we don't know what this is, we will have to do the math. So 4 is outside, and you put 1 inside. And again, just kind of skip ahead here, and 0.25 times 100. So that is 25%. Obviously, the percentages here, if you want to know for the blue balls, it's whatever is missing to get to 100%. So when you have 2/5 of red balls, to get a blue ball would be 3/5 or the missing 60%. So the chance of getting a blue ball is definitely higher. And here, getting blue ball is 75%. And this is how you do probability. So yeah, figure out how many options you have, and as you go along. Again, there might be situations where you could be asked, okay, you take something out, what is it? Okay, cool, then you put it back, and then someone else gets to try. If you do it like that, obviously the percentage stays the same, because in the system you have, nothing changed. So again, if I take a red ball out, like, ooh, I got a red ball, cool. There's a 50% chance of that. If I then, before the next person gets to choose, if I put that red ball back, well, the next person has, again, a 50% chance. So that's how that will work. Anyway, I hope that was clear, but that is how you do probability. Thank you.